Hey, it's Ivan Divino with Personal and Business Credit Consulting. I want to talk to you about the number one mistake that businesses or small businesses make. They mix their personal and their business finances all together instead of separating the two. Every CPA, every business advisor will tell you a small business owner, especially if he's doing it as a sole proprietorship, should create an LLC and then use the LLC for his business instead of using his personal checking account or his social security number. It's so simple. It probably takes less than an hour. Here are the three things you should be doing. The first thing is you create your LLC. Either you do it on your own, you do it online, or you can do it with somebody who could help you, your accountant or your attorney. The second thing you want to do is you want to get your EIN number. Again, super simple process. You just Google it, how to get your EIN number. I think you go to isa.gov. Once you do that, the next thing you want to do is get yourself a DUNS number. Now, don't pay for a DUNS number, which is it's a digit number, not 9 digits. It's a regular digit number, I think 7 numbers, and you get it from Dun & Bradstreet. You don't need to pay for a Dun & Bradstreet number, a DUNS number. You can get it for free. You follow the instructions online. If you don't know how to do any of these things, you can always contact me and we can help you do that. You get your LLC, you get your EIN, you get your DUNS number, and here's another one. You want to start your business checking account. It's important to put all the funds, all the revenue you're making in your business into your business checking account, because that's how you get financing. That's how you get funding. If you're having trouble getting a checking account because of a bad check systems, you can always reach out. I can help you clean up your check systems files. That's the number one reason that people make mistakes. That's the number one mistake people make with their small businesses. This is Ivan Divino with Personal and Business Credit Consulting.